Welcome back to Primetime News. A taximan is dead and his 2 passengers in hospital after the vehicle they were in washed away at a ford in Hopewell, St. Mary today. Residents say it's the first fatality at the ford and are renewing calls for a proper overhead bridge to be built in the area. Krista Campbell has our story.
Drivers must use them discretion too. When you have a heavy rain going on water, don't go through it.
Caution from a resident of Hopewell in St. Mary after a taxi operator and his 2 passengers washed away as the driver attempted to cross a flooded ford on Saturday. Residents note there have been close calls before and some even rushed to rescue the male and female passengers who are now in hospital. The driver was not saved.
3 vehicles went over there, but it's the first time that somebody died. Because whenever time it is raining, the river come down. This river named Duck River. Very powerful. But most of the people when they come here, what they normally stop outside and wait till the water draw. So to be honest with you, it's an oversight of that driver when really go through that water.
I know people may really help right to say, draw them out for how long they say, So, but me never see this man pretend say to drive in there this morning.
More time we have a log we put right there to make people see that it's black. Especially the truck them with the load coming to and fro undermine. So there's a chance.
More time you are trying to pass and people park vehicle right this one wash.
Inside the way.
Right, and we now have to drive over here so the motor is a very serious situation.
The people say the road has been this way for the past 5 years and there's even a detour. They add that the National Works Agency has visited the area a few times and even placed a caution tape at the ford. Now, to prevent another tragedy like what happened to the taxi driver, they are renewing calls for a more permanent fix in the area.
I have to make a drive over bridge right here, sir. Because right now when time rainfall, the community blackout and people always want to take chance. And I could take a chance with water.
If you look across, you see a massive wall go up his I build it. Because when the river come down, it used to come through my property here. And I built that massive way, and you can take a look at it up there. So it stop the water and see, otherwise the river will be running through my place now.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.